Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, the channel where the world's hottest two-wheel machines get broken down, analyzed, and brought to life in pure detail. Today, we've got something really special, a machine that's redefining what it means to be a modern urban ride. It's the 2026 Honda RUCKUS 350, the reinvention of a cult classic. For years, the RUCKUS has been that small, quirky, rugged scooter that won hearts for its simplicity and style. But now, Honda has gone all in, transforming it into a powerful mid-displacement street weapon that still keeps its wild soul intact. The new RUCKUS 350 isn't just another scooter upgrade. It's a rebirth. A bigger engine, smarter electronics, adventure-ready hardware, and a design that looks like it rolled straight out of a cyberpunk movie. This is Honda proving once again that practicality doesn't have to be boring. So, let's dive into what makes the 2026 RUCKUS 350 one of the most talked about two-wheelers of the year. When you first see the RUCKUS 350, you immediately notice that unmistakable frame, that open, skeletal design that made the original RUCKUS so iconic. But now it's refined, beefed up, and built with high-tensile steel for improved strength without compromising weight. The RUCKUS still proudly shows off its bare bones, industrial vibe, but now with a sharper, meaner edge. The front end is aggressive, with dual round LED headlights that feature Honda's adaptive lighting system. They not only look cool but adjust brightness automatically in real time, depending on your speed, lean angle, and lighting conditions. The bodywork, though minimal, has been sculpted for both aerodynamics and character. The fuel tank is cleverly integrated beneath the seat, keeping the center of gravity low and giving it that flat, purposeful stance. The fenders are short and muscular, while the exposed tubing runs neatly along the sides, giving the RUCKUS that unmistakable mechanical rawness. It looks like a stripped-down fighter jet for the streets. Underneath that striking exterior sits the all-new 349 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering 34 horsepower and 28 newton-meters of torque. Honda engineers took the base engine from the CB300 series but reworked it for a more torque-focused character. What that means is, the scooter launches off the line like it's got somewhere to be, quick, smooth, and surprisingly powerful. Whether you're overtaking cars in city traffic or climbing a hilly route, the RUCKUS 350 has all the grunt you'll ever need. The transmission is Honda's advanced V-matic automatic system, which feels far more refined than previous generations. It reacts instantly, without that rubber band delay older scooters are known for. You twist the throttle, and power flows right to the wheels, seamless and satisfying. There's no lag, no hesitation, just clean acceleration. The RUCKUS 350 can comfortably cruise at 120 km per hour, with enough reserve power for highway riding, something unheard of in the RUCKUS family until now. But where it really shines is the way it rides. Honda has given the RUCKUS a brand new chassis geometry, balancing rigidity with flexibility. It uses a $37 million fork up front and twin adjustable shocks at the rear, offering better damping over rough terrain. Whether it's broken city roads, speed bumps, or a quick detour through gravel, the RUCKUS 350 doesn't flinch. It's not afraid to get a little dirty, that's the whole point. The 170 mm ground clearance makes it as capable off-road as it is comfortable downtown. And let's talk about those wheels, 14-inch aluminum alloy rims with meaty tires, giving you grip, stability, and confidence in every turn. They're designed to handle both asphalt and light trails, blending commuter convenience with adventure bike toughness. You can feel the precision Honda engineers poured into this setup. It's nimble when you want it to be, and stable when you push it harder. Safety is another area where the RUCKUS 350 steps into premium territory. You get a 296 mm front disc brake with dual piston caliper and a 220 mm rear disc, both controlled by a dual-channel ABS. The braking performance feels sharp and progressive, never twitchy. Add to that Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, their traction control system, and you've got a scooter that's as smart as it is sporty. You can even turn traction control off for some slide action if you're on loose terrain. Now, tech lovers are going to appreciate what Honda has done inside the cockpit. The analog dials of the old RUCKUS are gone, replaced with a 5-inch full-color TFT screen that's crisp, bright, and packed with information. It connects to your smartphone via Honda RoadSync, giving you access to calls, navigation, and music control without taking your hands off the bars. Everything is controlled through backlit switches, designed for easy use even with gloves on. There's a USB-C charging port, keyless start, and an anti-theft system that uses a tilt sensor to detect movement when parked. Even the seat design has evolved. Honda gave it a dual-density foam setup that's surprisingly plush for a minimalist scooter. The seat height is just 780 millimeters, making it accessible to nearly everyone. The foot position feels natural, and for taller riders, the frame design leaves enough legroom to stretch comfortably. Passenger comfort hasn't been ignored either. The seat extends far enough to accommodate 2 adults, and optional grab rails add extra security. Under the seat, there's practical storage space enough for small essentials, tools, or a half-face helmet. But Honda knows their RUCKUS riders love to modify, so they've included mounting points throughout the frame for custom racks, bags, or accessories. In fact, Honda is already offering several official accessory packs: the Urban Pack, Adventure Kit, and Custom Style Set. The Urban Pack adds a small windscreen, rear rack, and storage box. The Adventure Kit adds handguards, crash bars, and dual-purpose tires. Performance-wise, it's not just about speed, it's about experience. The RUCKUS 350 feels alive beneath you. The throttle is responsive, the brakes bite cleanly, and the suspension smooths out the chaos of the city. It has that feeling of freedom that only 2 wheels can give, but with a sense of durability that makes you want to push boundaries. On open roads, it feels stable and planted. In corners, it's playful. You can flick it through traffic or take it on back roads, and it never loses its composure. Fuel economy is another win for the RUCKUS. Honda's fuel injection system delivers around 32 kilometers per liter, or roughly 75 miles per gallon, giving you nearly 300 kilometers of range per tank. Combine that with low maintenance needs, and you've got a machine that's as affordable to run as it is fun to ride. For city commuters or weekend adventurers, that's a game changer. So, who is the 2026 RUCKUS 350 really for? Honestly, it's for anyone who values individuality, versatility, and fun. It's for the rider who wants something different, something that doesn't blend into traffic but stands out proudly. There's also a subtle cultural importance to this bike. The RUCKUS has always symbolized freedom and creativity, the do-anything, go-anywhere machine for riders who think differently. By giving it a 350 cubic centimeters heart, Honda hasn't just upgraded the RUCKUS, they've evolved the entire concept of what small motorcycles can be. This is no longer a novelty scooter. This is a real machine with real power and serious street presence. When you see it up close, when you start it up and hear that thumpy single cylinder come alive, you get it instantly. It's not trying to be perfect. It's trying to be personal. It's about attitude, simplicity, and character. It's about making everyday rides fun again. And in a world where most bikes are chasing complexity, the RUCKUS 350 keeps things refreshingly raw, just with a modern edge. So, the 2026 Honda RUCKUS 350, is it worth the hype? Absolutely. It's the perfect fusion of old-school charm and modern technology. It brings back the rebellious fun of the original, adds muscle where it matters, and does it all without losing its soul. It's not just transportation, it's expression on wheels. So what do you think? Is this the RUCKUS you've been waiting for? Would you choose it over a Grom, a Rebel 300, or a PCX 160? Let us know your thoughts below, and as always, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest rides, rumors, and reviews from the two-wheeled world. This is Global Bike Buzz, bringing you the buzz that never stops, where every ride has a story, and every bike has a heartbeat. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Ride safe, ride wild, and keep the buzz alive.